Water is the foundation of all life on earth, and its value cannot be overstated. Every living organism depends on water to survive, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals. Humans, in particular, need clean and sufficient water for drinking, cooking, sanitation, agriculture, and countless other activities that sustain society. Yet, despite its critical role, water is often taken for granted. In many parts of the world, people waste water without thinking of the consequences, while others struggle daily to access even a small amount of safe drinking water. Protecting this precious resource is not just an environmental responsibility but a moral one, because without water, life itself cannot continue. Saving water is inseparable from saving energy. The two are tightly linked because water treatment, pumping, and heating all require energy. When we reduce water waste, we automatically reduce the energy needed to process and transport it. For example, heating water for showers, dishwashing, or industrial use consumes a significant amount of electricity or gas. If households and businesses become more efficient in their water use, they lower the demand on power plants, which in turn cuts greenhouse gas emissions and helps fight climate change. Conserving water, therefore, is a simple but powerful way to reduce energy consumption and protect the planet. The cycle of water on Earth is natural and continuous, but the amount of fresh water available for human use is limited. Only a small fraction of the Earth's water, less than 3%, is fresh water, and most of that is locked in ice caps or underground. The water we use in our homes, farms, and industries comes mainly from rivers, lakes, and aquifers, all of which are under increasing pressure. Population growth, urban expansion, and industrial development have increased the demand for water to unsustainable levels in many regions. Climate change worsens the situation, bringing more frequent droughts in some areas and floods in others, disrupting ecosystems and making it harder to manage water resources effectively. Agriculture is one of the largest consumers of fresh water. Growing food for billions of people requires irrigation, and in many areas, traditional irrigation methods are highly inefficient, allowing large amounts of water to evaporate or run off unused. By adopting modern techniques like drip irrigation, mulching, and careful crop selection, farmers can dramatically reduce water use while maintaining or even improving yields. Governments and communities must invest in these methods and educate farmers on their long-term benefits, not only to conserve water but also to ensure food security in a changing climate. Urban water use also demands urgent attention. In cities, people use water for bathing, cleaning, gardening, and industrial processes, and much of it is wasted through leaks in supply pipes or careless habits like leaving taps running. Fixing leaks, installing water efficient fixtures, and encouraging people to use water wisely can make a big difference. Simple actions such as turning off the tap while brushing teeth, collecting rainwater for outdoor use, and running dishwashers or washing machines only with full loads are small but effective steps that, when multiplied across millions of households, save vast amounts of water and energy. Industrial sectors must also play their part. Many industries, such as textile manufacturing, food processing, and chemical production, require large quantities of water. Without proper management, this can lead not only to overconsumption but also to water pollution. Treating wastewater before releasing it into rivers or lakes is essential to protect natural ecosystems and the health of communities that rely on these water sources. Companies can adopt water recycling systems to reduce their dependency on fresh supplies and cut costs over time. Corporate responsibility and strict regulations are key to ensuring that industries contribute to water and energy conservation rather than adding to the problem. Energy production itself is a major water consumer. Power plants often need water for cooling and extracting fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas can pollute and deplete water sources. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind reduces water consumption significantly because these technologies require little to no water to operate. In this way, investing in clean energy is not only a strategy for reducing carbon emissions but also an effective method of conserving water. Saving water and saving energy reinforce each other, creating a cycle of sustainability that benefits both the environment and the economy. Communities must understand that water is a shared resource and that its protection requires collective effort. Public awareness campaigns can inspire people to take conservation seriously, while schools can educate children from a young age about the importance of water in maintaining life. Cultural attitudes toward water also play a role. In some places, traditions and customs promote respect for nature, which can be harnessed to encourage sustainable practices. Governments should support these efforts with policies that prioritize water conservation, such as incentives for water efficient appliances, penalties for pollution, and investment in infrastructure that prevents waste. Technology offers promising solutions to water and energy challenges, smart irrigation systems, sensors that detect leaks, and advanced water treatment technologies can all help reduce desalination. Plants can turn seawater into drinkable water, though they must be managed carefully to avoid excessive energy use. At the household level, smart meters allow people to monitor their water use in real time, helping them identify areas where they can cut back. Embracing these innovations can make a significant difference, but technology alone is not enough without responsible behavior and good governance. Individual choices are powerful in shaping a sustainable future. Each person can contribute by adopting habits that reduce water and energy consumption. Choosing products that require less water to produce, such as plant based foods or clothing made from sustainable materials, can lower the overall demand on water resources. Supporting businesses and politicians who prioritize environmental protection sends a clear message that water and energy conservation matter to society. Small steps like reusing grey water for gardens, harvesting rainwater, and avoiding the overuse of bottled water add up to substantial savings when practiced by millions. The link between water, energy, and life is a reminder that human survival depends on the delicate balance of natural systems. Depleting water sources leads to conflicts, food shortages, and ecological collapse. Energy overconsumption accelerates climate change, which in turn disrupts rainfall patterns and reduces water availability. Breaking this cycle requires a holistic approach that treats water and energy as interconnected resources. By conserving both, we protect biodiversity, reduce pollution, and ensure that future generations inherit a planet capable of sustaining life. In many regions already facing water scarcity, people understand this reality all too well. Communities that once had abundant rivers now endure dry riverbeds and dwindling wells. In such places, the struggle for water is a daily hardship that shapes every aspect of life, from health and education to economic opportunity. These examples should serve as warnings to areas that still enjoy plentiful water today. No region is immune to the impacts of climate change and mismanagement. Acting now to save water and energy is far easier and less costly than dealing with the consequences of inaction later. Water is not just a resource, it is a symbol of life itself. Every drop that flows through rivers and fills the air with humidity connects humans to the wider natural world. By valuing water, we show respect for all living beings and for the earth that sustains us. Saving water means saving energy, and saving energy means preserving the delicate climate balance that allows life to thrive. Together, these actions amount to saving life itself, whether through policy, technology, or personal responsibility. Every effort to conserve water and energy is an investment in the survival and well being of humanity and the countless other species with which we share this planet. The message is clear: water is life. To save water is to safeguard our future. To save energy is to protect the environment that makes life possible. These are not optional choices but urgent necessities. Each individual, household, business, and government has a role to play. Through conscious action and collective commitment, we can ensure that the water cycle continues to support life, that energy use remains sustainable, and that generations to come inherit a world where rivers still flow, crops still grow, and life continues to flourish.